Hey, Get Best Price fans! Today we're diving into the world of Origo shoes, pioneers in barefoot footwear design. Let's explore what makes these shoes stand out from the crowd. Origo designs their shoes around the natural shape of the feet. This means two crucial things for your toes. They can remain straight. They have enough room to spread or splay apart. Now for the fun part, let's cut open a pair to see how this works. Okay, we can see the natural cotton upper. Notice the natural toe box design, it's straight. Let's look at the feet. As you can see, the regular shoe design on the left severely restricts proper toe alignment. Origo's design, on the right, provides the space for the feet to conform into that stable triangular base of support. While Origo's main drawing card is that they're healthy for feet, they also happen to be really good-looking shoes with that classic sneaker design. Plus, they're made using sustainably sourced natural materials. Oh, and let's not forget the Hyperflexible sole, which gives the toes all the freedom they need. That's it for our look at Origo shoes. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to see more content like this on Get Best Price.